Dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you all to hear and see this video message. In this video, I am going to explain the good books to read to know about caste reservation in India. Totally, I compiled 9 books in English and Tamil. Content for this video I given in the description. Usually I given the books details in my blogspot Shadow Cabinet of India, and that link I given in this description. You can go through and study. In this video I am not explain the whole books details. I given the name of the books, author name, publications and price and pages. Number 1, for caste reservation books. Caste based reservation in India, constitutional safeguards, Gandhi's views, Ambedkar views, Mandal Commission report, caste reservation in theory and practice by Seema Bhattacharya, author, rupees 1500. Deep and Deep publications, pages 356 pages. These seats are reserved caste quotas and the Constitution of India by Abhinav Chandrachud, author, rupees 387, 272 pages by Penguin Viking Publications. Caste reservation, atrocity, law and discrimination by Stapir Kora, author, by Ahar Books Publishers, rupees 595 and 189 pages. Affirmative Action in India by Ashwini Deshpande, author, by Oxford University Press, 224 pages, rupees 395. Politics of Inclusion, Caste, Minorities and Affirmative Actions, rupees 845 pages, 316. Author Soya Hassan, publisher Oxford University Press, New Delhi. Affirmative Action and Discriminative Justice Perfect by S.R. Mayeni, author, by New Era Law Publication, rupees 475 pages, 420. Affirmative Action for Economically Weaker Section and Upper Caste in Indian Constitutional Law by Asang Wangdele, author, rupees 995. Rulejade Manogar Publishers, 222 pages. உயர் ஜாதியினருக்கு 10% எக்கனாமிக்கர் வீக்கர் செக்ஷன் இட ஒதுக்கீடு சரியா தவறா? எடிட்டர் எஸ் விஜயபாஸ்கர், நிகர்மொழி பதிப்பகம், rupees 600. சாதி இட ஒதுக்கீடு அடையாள அரசியல் by பாரதி புத்தகாலயம், rupees 185.